To be listed in our RebookMedia Directory, first you need to complete these 5 easy steps for the category you would like to list. Click on this drop-down to select your category. I'm going to select real estate, but real estate is not listed here. So I'm going to add real estate as a category. Click on Add Category and click on Add Category here. Select real estate. If your category is not listed here, you can always add a custom category down here. Here you can name any category you'd like. For the purposes of this demo, I am going to select real estate. Next, give it a short description. I'm going to type New Jersey real estate photographer. Next, select the banner. Here, I am going to select a banner that represents my real estate photography. In this case, it's just an image of one of my real estate work. Click on Active and Add Category. Your category has been successfully created. Go back home and select Real Estate. You'll notice that the category banner has now been added. Now you have 4 steps to complete. I will add a public image next. My public image has been successfully uploaded. Next, I will write a professional bio. I will use Rebook Gen AI to help me with this. I'm going to review, and this looks great. Just click on Update. Next, I will add all the services I render for real estate. Click on Add Service. The first service I will add is photography. That category is real estate, and this is a main service, not an add-on. Click on Activate. Next, I will price my service. I can choose price and duration, square footage, people, or sale price. I will keep it simple and select price and duration. Next, I will upload an image so people can see an example of my work. Next, I will price it. I charge $250 for 60 minutes of work for this service. Next, I will write a service description, basically what's included with my service. Here, I also have the option to add variants. For example, if this service includes 30 photos, but maybe I want to write another service that includes 60 photos, I can add a variant here and type 60 photos, and on the first variant I can type 30 photos. Update the description to 60, and finally I select who is the service provider for this service. In this case, it's just me. Click on Add Service. Now my service has been added. Let's go back to our dashboard. Finally, I will add my portfolio of work for this category. Scroll down to Real Estate and simply drag your photos in this section. Let's go back to our dashboard. As you can see, this profile is now listed. Click on View to review it. Scroll down to see your portfolio of work. This looks great. Click on Services to see the services you provide. Here's the photography service we added. Click on Reviews. We don't have any reviews yet. And Booking, right now clients can only contact you. But if you want to activate booking, there's some other steps you'll need to take. Now, when a client searches for a real estate photographer in your area, your profile will show up. and here it is. If you would like to activate other categories, you simply click on the category and you finalize the steps. Your public image will carry to the other categories. If you have any questions, visit our help center or contact us for further support.